Facility managers may want to export completed preventive maintenance checklists as CSV or Excel files. With this feature, clients can now include columns in the CSV export from fields within the checklist. To use this feature, log into FacilityBot web portal, go to Features, Checklist, for Review. Click on the three-dot menu, select Configure CSV Export Fields. You will be redirected to a page to configure which fields to be included in the CSV export file. On the right-hand side, the page shows the list of default fields that will be included in the CSV export file. The left-hand side shows the list of parent checklists and their corresponding checks. You can also select fields from parent checklist. Each parent checklist can have multiple checks. When a check from a parent checklist is added as a CSV export field, the response for that check from all child checklists created from that parent checklist will be included in the CSV export file. Click on the plus button beside the checklist ID to show the fields. Click on the plus Add Field button to add the field to the CSV export file. Once added, the field will appear on the list of included fields in the right column. Once all the fields have been added, click on the Save button. Once configured, managers can export checklists under the For Review section as CSV or Excel files. The custom fields will be included in the CSV or Excel files. Managers can then export up to 90 days of checklist data. Back on the main page, click on the three-dot menu. Select Export CSV to download the file. The downloaded CSV or Excel file will contain the custom fields.